Here are a couple of quick tricks for creating a list of weekday dates. I've got a starting date and I'm going to fill down. I'll start by pointing to the fill handle at the bottom right corner here, and I'm pressing the right mouse button while I drag down. When I let go, this menu pops up and I can see weekdays. A formula here shows the code for the weekday name. So we go Monday to Friday, then it skips Saturday and Sunday and continues the next week. On this sheet, I just want every second weekday. I'll start again here, point to the fill handle, press the right mouse button and drag down. This time I'm going to choose series. In here, we're going to choose weekday. And instead of a step value of 1, I'm entering a 2. Click OK. And now it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then Tuesday and Thursday the next week, and so on down the list.